lava Hennessy na Kenice yona zan ba yona tan pa bose ko Hennessy ni tan landa sa emfrulo wa tudo wa dretsa ya pada tela ngwenya sikufike ngwenya from a Prince Rangani's project. Prince Rangani's project is likely to drop in September. October to drop ya Benny Mayangan. And Benny Mayangan, mark this with my weight. Benny Mayangan is not going to release an album. I'm telling you, he will release an EP.
Vakhandle Group lowu i ntlawa lowu nga ku heleketaka evuhuseleni bya wena hi ndlela yo hlawuleka. U nga ha tlhela u vuyeriwa wa ha ri kwala emisaveni. Swiyenge swa Vakhandle Group swi katsa leswi: muganga basic laha u chayelaka hi ntsengo wo sukela ka 110 rand. U kuma tende 100 wa switulu, mobile toilet, basic sound system, tihunyi na 5000 rand. Muganga premium u chayela hi ntsengo wo sukela ka 130 leyi ku nyikaka 10000 rand. Muganga super premium ya ku nyika 15000 rand yi tlhela ku nyika vanhu va ntlhanu vo pfuna loko u joyina hi mali yo sukela ka 150 rand ntsena. Muganga cash only benefit u joyina hi mali yo sukela ka 110 rand. Loko u ri xirho u nga engetela 50 rand ntsena. U joyina muganga unveiling benefit. Vuxokoxoko byi le ka 064 755 5674 kasi eka website hi vakhandlegroup.co.za. Rhumela rungula eka info@vakhandlegroup.co.za. Vakhandle Group, we are family.
Aye, mina nina n'wina yeye Jaimito mfana wa le Msambikani mhaivava jaru kula imbacha danuna xetivi yemane mi amukelaka the channel that matches the channel that matters the most ambokwata yay walava I love you. It does go far. Yimane mi amukelaka the only channel that matters to watch. At 31 August tawanirka phati ya misava, so tawanir ngopfu hala ku nga va ku ri na defense corps ta va hi endla swilo swi endleka documenting that event. Lava nga na problem na mina mi lava ku ni ba hlanganeni kwale mi byela Kenice na yini siku ni la boxing match na vo, mara boxing match leyi a ni lavi va stagini, ni lava hi helwela hala ku na defense court hi vonela kusuhani. So mara ni ta lava u rhanga ni ba Kenice se ni ta ba boss ya koho Hennessy. So ni va lava boxing match, my trainer is busy with me, ni lava Hennessy na Kenice yona zan ba yona ta ni ba boss ya koho Hennessy ni ta ni landza sa emfrulo wa xitulo wa swidiritsa ya va ta tela ngwenya se ku fike ngwenya. Anyway, ni lava ku vulavula hi Prince Rangani. So Benny Mayangan came with a strategy together with his Limpopo Poison team, which includes Dr. Joy Sherman, Prince Rangani, Hlavu de Gupta, and the instruments. So do you still remember? And then they say, I still remember. Maybe there was the strategy to destroy Mr. Post. I think they've successfully achieved to keep Mr. Post quiet. Generally, Mr. Post kusukela hi December, ne kusukela hi June. Oh, don't talk December. 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 Madala. He's very quiet these days. For some reason, I think Mr. Post has lost the ground, has lost the influence, and this is not because of his own making, of him making uncalculated moves. This is primarily because that genre or that group that was relevant at that point in time, which involves around Dr. Joy Shirman, Benny Mayangan, Mr. Post, and a bit of Prince Rangan, and a bit of Hlavu de Gupta, has died. So there's nothing that we expect that is going to surprise us from these people, for me. So Mr. Post is not like he's quiet, or maybe he's no longer having good ground because of his own making, or he made a mistake somewhere. He has been doing what he does every day. So this group is dead, man. For all 4 or 5 of them, Hlavu, Benny, Prince, Dr. Joe, Mr. Post, it doesn't matter who work with who are no longer interested in their craft like we were before. Like when Benny is about to release, we'll get too excited, man. Now it's like, so there's nothing I'm expecting from from a Prince Rangani's project. Prince Rangani's project is likely to drop in September, October to drop ya Benny Mayangan. And Benny Mayangan, mark this with my weight. Benny Mayangan is not going to release an album. I'm telling you, he will release an EP of 3 or 2 songs. It's a much and look I release a man in Kulumel. Swin'wana swa tibanganyani swa hamba swin'we swa khisimusi bokisi si etlelini loko mi va se hlunga swa Gondi boy. Yeah, but something along those lines. So I don't think he will release an album. Prince Rangani is going to release in September. Shwengi Rangani is likely going to release this September. Loko hlwela va release lexi endla mona swo Rangani a penga nga ku ludlukuliwa a nga pengisi hi ku iya kwini a nga pengisi hi mhaka ku wo penga wo tiendlisa. It's another way to get people to listen to his craft as she was about to release. So soon mani lava va le 17 va ta va karhi va release ni vone Mgobhozi a sungula ku endla Shwengi Rangani his project. It's a good thing. We once did that too when we were still in the coming, when we see a person giving us a problem and then we'll kicking from one to one and then we'll make them a project. We'll comment on everything they do even if it doesn't need necessarily attention. So yeah, Solomakam is also going to release this album either late October, usually 28th October, or the first weekend in November. If he like usual last of October, weekend that October kume at one that November. Yeah, I think the weekend they are actually to 1 November. Laban Vabarna Malu stream that and stuff like that. So you might be opportunistic and take that advantage. So but for me, if there's someone who can surprise us, it's Shwengi Rangani. So Makama doesn't expect anything surprising there. Why? Because I've been with him, so I know his craft so much. Marangomaleni ngata ranza probably track 9 or track 10. Ita ba vulavula hi vavasati. Swa vito ra Manyangatsi, I'm sure he's making a joke. Loko o endla risimu ku va ku ri vito ra Manyangatsi swa YouTube na tshika mina. Yeah, so it's so today I declare ku loko Solomakam o endla album ivi ku ri na risimu leri vulavulaka hi vito ra Manyangatsi. Ni nga tiku vito ra Manyangatsi a ri suka ngoma Mr Pose kumbe ta ri vumaka Manyangatsi xinani. Mara loko o endla risimu ri vulavula hi vito Manyangatsi swa YouTube na tshika. A na analyze ngoma na endla the video ta YouTube na tshika. So ku ta ku ri mina ku ta ku ri video ya mina ya mahetelele before because he said he's going to release the art cover a day before. If that release I did 28 or 27. So I expected the projects total, but the only person who can surprise us is Shwengi because we never expect something good from her. We don't rate her as a musician, we rate her as a content creator. So me ana problem na munhu mara ku vona lani va lavaka boxing match and loko ri na problem unganifoneli hambo kwa